The Tesla Model S door handle retraction issue is common in vehicles manufactured before 2022. It primarily stems from wear and tear on the internal components. Let's explore the main causes. The first cause is wear and tear on internal components. Over time, frequent use leads to degradation of parts like gears and latches. Second, the spring mechanism weakens after 50,000 to 100,000 cycles, failing to provide enough force for retraction. Third, motor burnout occurs due to voltage fluctuations or moisture ingress, preventing proper retraction. Fourth, software glitches can cause desynchronization, leading to retraction failures. Fifth, environmental factors like extreme cold or salt exposure can exacerbate the problem by causing contraction or corrosion. These factors can make the door handle stick out or fail to retract. We'll guide you through diagnosing and addressing these issues. Before diving into hardware, check for software-related issues. Ensure your Tesla is running the latest firmware. Tesla's firmware update v12.5.1, released in late 2024, includes diagnostics that can compensate for minor failures. Try a soft reset by holding both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen reboots. This can resolve temporary software glitches affecting door handle operation. If this fails, move on to the next steps. Often, a sticking door handle can be fixed with simple lubrication. Use a silicone-based lubricant on the handle's pivot points and surrounding mechanism. Apply sparingly and wipe away excess. Regularly clean the door handles, especially after exposure to rain, snow, or salt. Use a soft cloth and mild detergent to remove any buildup that could hinder movement. If lubrication doesn't resolve the door handle retraction issue, the spring mechanism is likely failing. Torsion springs in the handle provide the retracting force, but after 50,000 to 100,000 cycles, they can fatigue and weaken, causing the handle to stick or fail to retract. The spring mechanism consists of torsion springs that store energy to pull the handle back into the door frame. You can see the internal components in this technical illustration, including the springs, levers, and electrical connectors. To inspect and replace the spring, start by purchasing a replacement kit online from sources like Tesla Retrofit or eBay for around $15 to $20. These kits include the exact torsion springs needed for the Model S handle assembly. You'll need a door panel remover tool to safely pry off the interior door panel without damaging it. This tool has a forked head and plastic handle to avoid scratches. Carefully insert the tool between the panel and door frame, gently prying to release the clips. There are typically 8 to 10 clips around the perimeter. Work slowly to avoid breaking any plastic fasteners. Once the panel is removed, locate the handle assembly. You'll see the motor, springs, and latch mechanism. Use a screwdriver to carefully disassemble, noting the orientation of parts for reassembly. Refer to the spring thickness guide to identify the correct replacement. The springs are compared to coin thicknesses for reference. The Model S uses specific torsion springs with rounded ends. Remove the old spring and install the new one, ensuring it seats properly in the mechanism. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the motor shaft to prevent future friction issues. Reassemble the handle assembly in reverse order, then reattach the door panel by snapping the clips back into place. Test the handle retraction multiple times to ensure it works smoothly. For detailed visual guidance, watch tutorials like the Tesla Handle Fix vlog on YouTube from 2025. However, be cautious, as improper handling can damage the mechanism and potentially void your warranty. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, consider professional service. Motor issues in Tesla Model S door handles can cause a clicking sound without proper extension or retraction. This typically indicates a failing DC actuator in the handle mechanism. Diagnosing motor issues accurately requires specialized tools and knowledge, as the motor is part of the vehicle's 12 volts electrical system. Before assuming motor failure, always check the voltage supply to the handle. The motor is powered by the vehicle's 12-volt system. A faulty 12-volt battery can cause intermittent motor issues, leading to weak retraction or failure to extend. Check battery voltage first. If voltage is good, test the motor's continuity and solenoid engagement using a multimeter. Burnout from moisture or voltage fluctuations is common. Replacing the motor is significantly more complex than replacing the spring mechanism, involving electrical connections and calibration. Due to this complexity, Motor replacement is best left to Tesla professionals unless you have significant experience with automotive electrical systems. DIY attempts can void warranties or cause further damage. To prevent future issues with your Tesla Model S door handles, practice preventative maintenance. The key steps include regular cleaning and lubrication, avoiding forceful manual retraction, and applying protective coatings. Regularly clean and lubricate the door handles to keep them functioning smoothly. Clean any dirt or rust buildup, then apply a suitable lubricant to the moving parts. Avoid forcing manual retraction, as this can damage the motor and spring mechanism. Always let the system operate automatically to prevent wear. Consider applying a hydrophobic coating to the handles to repel water and prevent corrosion, especially in cold or coastal climates. This protective layer can significantly extend the lifespan. Following these preventative maintenance steps can significantly extend the lifespan of your Model S door handles and reduce the risk of future failures. Looking ahead, Tesla is pioneering more reliable, software-driven door handle mechanisms. Newer models like the Cybertruck feature handles that retract using electromagnetic fields, completely eliminating mechanical springs that can wear out. Future Model S variants are expected to incorporate solid-state actuators, providing enhanced durability and resistance to environmental factors like moisture and corrosion. Additionally, AI predictive maintenance will monitor handle performance in real time, alerting owners to potential issues before they occur, and scheduling preventive care. While these innovations won't directly fix older Model S handles, they demonstrate Tesla's ongoing commitment to improved reliability and reduced maintenance in the future of electric vehicles.